The Advisement Report is a useful tool for University of Arizona students to track their progress in their academic programs. Today we are going to explore the W.A. Franke Honors College section of the Advisement Report. After navigating to UAccess, click on Advising and Advisement Report. Collapse the tabs and click on the W.A. Franke Honors College drop-down. The first section explains the honors unit requirement. To see how many honors units you are required to complete, look at the first number on the left that is highlighted. The second number shows how many honors units you have completed or are currently taking, and the last number shows how many you still need to take. When you scroll down, you will see not only honors courses you have completed, but also those in progress, which are counting towards your number of units taken so far. The second section shows if you have fulfilled your honors seminar requirement. Every honors student is required to take one honors seminar, commonly starting with the prefix Honors 195. The honors thesis section shows your progress towards the 6-unit thesis requirement. This means if you have a credit requirement of 30 units, you will have to take 24 non-thesis honors credits.